Greetings from China. After a quick show of compact shoulder support rig, we will switch it to another bridge plate. Here we have the SmallRig Arri Dovetail clamp with 19mm rail clamp, 1757. As mentioned, it is also a 19mm rail clamp, so that it could be used on lots of camcorders like Red, Sony FS5, Blackmagic URSA. First, it has got a Arri standard dovetail clamp. You could use it to clamp various SmallRig quick release plates. One control switch would totally push the block to lock the plate. Second, this is also a rail clamp. You could attach the 19mm rod into it. Then, mount the other accessories you would like the follow focus we are mounting here. This plate is also a SmallRig style product. It's checked 1/4, 3/8 screw holes. Lots of weight is. As you see, there are some of 1/4 and 3/8 screw holes. You can put your checked screw here. If you ever need a base plate to attach your setup on tripod or shoulder rig, this is the one. See you next time. Bye.